We're right now in my mom's car.
Yeah, we just got back from Golden Corral. The girl who just hit my head with
A brush.
a hairbrush. Actually,
Thumbs down if that's not very nice.
I'm sure
Thumbs
you
up. Thumbs up if you think, wow, that's just freaking crazy.
She did it for no reason. She just got the hairbrush and bam, started whacking my head.
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you.
We're having another sleepover, so we're sure we're gonna make a crazy.
Wait, yeah,
tutorial.
we forgot about our special edition. I think it was our special edition makeup store, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So I hope you enjoy and sincerely, Emily and
Jocelyn.
peace out.
By the way, Jocelyn isn't my real name. It's just my middle name. I don't like my real name, so I just like you to call me by my middle name. Jocelyn. Peace.
Or you can call me Nicole. For my
Peace
middle
out,
name.
hot dogs.
Peace out.
Home days.
Peace out. Más súbele. That was Spanish. Nene. Poquito más. Future boom boom boom.
That's our signature music because today's Children's Day. Yay!
Gotta get that boom boom boom. That boom boom boom. Bye
That
guys. Boom boom boom.